Happy Tech Tuning in 21. I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage, Tech Fluently. All right, cool. So, man, I can't believe it took me like a year and a half to do this. So, your contacts, your agents, right? So, like a lot of you, finally coming over from Brand X. I was with them for 15 years. Just a little background real quick. We used LendingPad for like 6 months. Loved it. Built it out. Lost my processor who knew this is the software. Had to go back to Brand X, right? Like just survival mode. And then have come back a year and a half ago. When we did, I had like 240 contacts. Agents, realtors, right? Like people that were in the system already. And we've slowly just been adding them to the contacts. Well, of course, because it's, LendingPad, smart, not old school, like new school, right? So in any database, you can do a dump. You can export, throw in CVLS, Excel, whatever format you want. So here's the keys and the tips. So I'm literally going to show you how to pull in your entire database of agents, of contacts, of your referral partners, so you don't have to manually input it. LendingPad, contacts, import contacts, and I never caught this before, download the template. And so what I want to say as a little side note, dude, LendingPad's support is so awesome. Literally, I just went to the chat, they told me, it glitched for a second, real time while I was literally doing it. We did a screen share for a second, then they had me send the report, and literally like within 20 minutes, everything was solved. So on this, all you do, you import your contacts, there it is, import, I just did it for speed, and then boom, literally 2 minutes later, all 240 extra contacts are in there in addition to everybody else I had in there already, okay? So let's bring this over. So some of the pain points, some of the things that learned from my hour of trouble, right? So this is their format. So first off, I just took their blank format, okay? The simplest way that I found, I'll just show you, and I just threw it on my secondary screen, I just dragged, right? So I just dragged to the end. If it's a Mac, Command-C to copy, or cut it, Command X, and then just paste it here. And then literally I just went page by page by page by page. Now some keys. Name means company name. Short name is how you like to look for people. So for me personally, as I'm looking for people, I think of them by first name. I don't really use a lot of last names. Just me, who cares if you're a last name person? Throw the short name. However you want to search is the short name. Roles. So this is the biggest pain point for me. Oh man. This little tab down here, available role types. There's the key. If you don't match these exactly uppercase, lowercase, no spaces, it'll never integrate. It'll never pull in the data. So as an example, let's go back to the contacts, a mirror title. So that's an escrow one. So you go available role types, escrow company, Control C, we come back. Yay, you can't have nulls. Control V and race through. Now, to super speed that up, what I did, so let's go back really quick. Let's go null. So find it. So first off, make sure you're on the home. Home, okay? Find and replace. We're gonna replace null with escrow company. Replace all. There was one. But the first time I did it, right, there's like 80 of them. And then the real estate agents, it was so cool. First American title company, fine. That's not a real role. So again, same thing. Search and find, replace. Not a real role. Cool. All right. So again, my real estates were all coded, but not LP, LendingPad style, right? So race through really fast, made sure I got all my roles. The other keys is you do have to have an email address in there. It will not work unless you do. So for me, I just created a notreal@noemail.com, raced through really fast, just copied and pasted them. Okay, last thing, point of contact. Point of contact is a name, first and last name. The problem though was, and so here's the tip, is pulling out of your database, of course it's different fields, right? So you're gonna have a first name and a last name, or at least I did. My database was that way. Every single database that I'm familiar with is gonna have a first name, last name. So here's the key. We know what this is. So on point of contact, they need a first and last name. Check this out. So, I won't do it. But this, right here, that's what you need to learn. So literally all we did is I created just a quick little, let's go this way. Here we go. So basically all I did is we're gonna grab that plus that, right? We want to make it say those two in combination. We want it to say first name, last name. So all it is equals whatever 02, the and symbol, parenthesis, or quotation marks, sorry, space, quotation marks, and second field. Simple. Created it brought it in here, simply copy that, bam, Control V, right, paste it in, all of your names are perfect. Set, save it, awesome. Come back to here, again, from your dashboard. Every time I screen record, it goes a little bit slower. So contacts, import contacts. Again, we already did the template. You can drag and drop or just select it. There we are. Boom, import, done. Now, if you do get an error code, it's gonna tell you exactly why. So as an example, I went through all the bulk ones, but you miss every now and again. Or there's a web start site instead of an email, or there's a digit off or something, right? I had that happen on a few. Thank you, Wes. Thank you, LendingPad. It just walks you through what to do. Row 45, right? So, I mean, I've already perfected it, but it was, hey, go to row 45. Okay, cool. And your email address was wrong. Well, it was. I was missing one. And just so you know, for those, I know always people say, privacy policy. None of these people are clients. These are all public figures. These are all realtors who put all their data on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere. You're welcome for the fee publicity. And these are escrow officers. So same thing. So all the data that's on here is all public information for people that want to be branded. You're welcome. So, but super easy. Fixed a couple data points, right? So it's fix row 45, fix row 59, fix row 82, fix these couple things and it'll work. And you know what? It just did. 240 contacts in. Just like that. It took me an hour because I had some tech support and I didn't know how to merge them proper to where it worked in their system. And the biggest thing truly, oh man, was the roles. So anyway, thank you, LendingPad. Thank you, Wes. Now my contacts are in the system. Now we can just pick them instead of manually inputting them every single time a new contract comes in. Chris Bettis, Fluent Mortgage, Tech Fluently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, but most importantly, tune that tech in 21. See you next week.